Now that I've defined polyhedra and their faces, edges, and vertices, I want to define nets and surface area. So one way to make a solid shape is to make a pattern on paper like cardboard for its outer surface, and then cut out the pattern and fold as needed and join the cut edges. Making a shape this way helps us to concentrate on the characteristics of the outer surface of the shape and provides an opportunity to practice visualization. And these patterns for polyhedrons are known as a net. As an example, here's a net for a cube. So we can think of this being the bottom. As we fold it up, this would be the right side, the left side. If we fold up this one, it would be the back. This piece would be the front, and once we have this one as the front, we can fold over the top flap to get the top of our cube. And these nets are useful not only for making models of shapes, but also for helping us find formulas for surface areas of solid shapes. The surface area is defined as the total area of the outer surface of the shape. So we can think about a pattern, either making a pattern or thinking about how to make a pattern of the shape to help us find the formula for surface area. As an example, let's go back to the net of the cube. Let's suppose one side of this is S. Since this is a square, this side is S too. So the area of this particular square would be S squared. Same thing for each one of these. Each one of them will have an area of S squared. So my formula for surface area for a cube would be 6, since there are a total of 6 of these squares, times S squared. On the other hand, let's consider this net for a rectangular prism. So I've labeled 3 sides here. We can see that this one will also be L, the same with each one of these. This is also going to be H. In addition, so are these smaller sides. And if this one is W, then the rest in this row will be W, and then these two down here. So when I think about surface area here, well, this top rectangle has an area of L times H. This middle one is LW. This one is another LH. This one is LW. This side one has an area of WH, and this side one has a WH. So I can see I have 2 that are LH. I have 2 that are LW. And I have 2 that are WH. So now I have the formula for surface area of this rectangular prism.